Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt dipping sauce easy method. Start by measuring 1 cup plain yogurt and place it in a medium bowl. Add 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 clove minced garlic, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and 1 tsp salt, then whisk until smooth. Taste and adjust with herbs or salt, and chill for 15 minutes to let flavors meld for best results. In this video, I will show how to make yogurt dipping sauce easy method. Gather simple staples: plain yogurt, lemon, garlic, olive oil, and salt, plus any herbs you like. Measure ingredients precisely for a reliable result, then whisk them together in a bowl until the texture is silky. This base is forgiving, so you can add a splash of water to thin or a pinch more salt to brighten the flavor. In this video, I will show how to make yogurt dipping sauce easy method. Quick recommendation: if you love reading while cooking or waiting for flavors to meld, consider the Kindle Paperwhite for crisp, glare-free reading. It's light, holds thousands of recipes, and makes kitchen downtime more enjoyable. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make yogurt dipping sauce easy method. Try simple variations: dill or mint for freshness, honey for a hint of sweetness, or cumin for warmth. Adjust texture with a splash of water or olive oil and let the sauce rest for 10-15 minutes to marry flavors. Serve chilled with vegetables, pita, grilled meats, or use as a sandwich spread to add a creamy, tangy lift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.